Vivo launched two new smartphones under V series in India called Vivo V70 and Vivo V70 Elite. Both of these devices shares quite identical design, but are different in terms of specifications, and among these two, the Vivo V70 Elite is the higher variant, with some additional features. Now let's explore the specifications of this smartphone. The Vivo V70 Elite features a tall 6.59-inch 1.5K resolution AMOLED display, with up to 120 Hz refresh rate and up to 5000 nits of peak brightness support. Under the hood, the phone is powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8S Gen 3 chipset, paired with Adreno 735 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 8 or 12 GB of LPDDR5X RAM and 256GB or 512GB of UFS 4.1 storage. As per the optics, the Vivo V70 Elite sports a Zeiss-powered triple camera setup on the rear that houses a 50-megapixel main camera with f1.88 aperture, and it supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording. And there is another 50-megapixel telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom plus OIS support, along with the 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens with 115-degree field of view. The rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting 4K videos at 60 frames per second. For selfies, it has 50-megapixel Zeiss-powered camera under the hole punch at the top center with f2.0 aperture, and it can record 4K videos at 30 frames per second. The device comes backed by a massive 6500 mAh battery with 90 watts fast charging support, and it runs on Android 16 based on Origin OS 6 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an ultrasonic in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP69 certified for dust and water resistance. And it also includes a large VC heat dissipation system to keep the device cool in extreme conditions. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, NFC, IR blaster, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 157.52 by 74.33 by 7.59 millimeters, and it weighs around 194 grams. So now let's take a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Vivo V70 Elite has been priced in India for 8GB plus 256GB storage variant at 51,999 Indian rupees, while the 12GB plus 256GB storage model is priced at 56,999 Indian rupees, and the higher variant with 12GB plus 512GB storage option is priced at 61,999 Indian rupees. The smartphone is now up for pre-orders in the country in authentic black, passion red, and sand beige color options, and it is set to go on sale starting from February 26th. So, what do you guys think of this Vivo V70 Elite smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.
Yeah.